Slide, sige mo rin. Okay. Si Alta, pauwi. Baka akala mo ino, i-present ka rin. Okay, lang naman eh. Ano mabuti na yung malinaw, ino ha? Mabuti na yung malinaw. Okay. Please don't reano. So you want to become a life viewer then. Okay, will you show to us how will you do this? Okay. Okay, if you're going to instruct them, okay, your passenger, so how will you instruct them? Okay, if there is an emergency happen, okay, while you're, okay. Indeed, rules and regulation. What is the most important thing that you can teach them during emergency? Seat belt, another. Hindi kaya ang best na sabihin muna natin okay. Okay. Okay, calm, stay cool, and then anyway, that is just a life emergency. Sabihin natin, no? Although that is needed, naman